BYD has just announced that they have a new player that is shifting gears, and I'm here with
Debbie Sibiya. I'm the marketing specialist from BYD South Africa.
All right, Debbie, could you please talk to me more about the Dolphin? Just give me a little tease, a little sneak peek.
So I can't really say too much about the Dolphin Surf, but what I can say is we're really aiming for it to be like a new player that really shakes up the game, you know. We're looking at obviously the younger audience. We want, because those are our future customers.
Yeah.
Because we need to start building their actual dreams from a younger age.
Absolutely.
I mean, one thing to see that BYD is innovative, is changing up the game, is switching gears. And EV really is a possibility now in SA. And a lot of the time, people always thought EV is an elite thing, like only for the luxurious people or something that's super expensive, but it's really not. And that's why the Dolphin Surf is here to really shake up the game. So we're hoping that when we finally do release this car, it's really going to be a game changer.
All right, so how has the response been here at the festival thus far?
I would say it's been good. I think a lot of people were excited to see the BYD Shark. So like obviously the first plug-in hybrid bakkie in South Africa.
Beautiful car.
So yeah, that one's a beautiful car. I mean, it's massive. It's taller than me.
Beautiful.
Like when I first saw it, I was like, what the hell? You know? But so a lot of people were excited to see that car, to interact with it. Everyone was just like, but it's a bakkie, you know? Bakkie must make noise. And every single time they go to the self-driving track, they get into the car, they're like, is the car on? And you're like, yes, it's on. And they're like, but it's a bakkie. Why am I not hearing the vrrr or something?
It's like, quiet.
Well, it's a plug-in hybrid, and then you have to explain that it's an EV with petrol and works together with the motors. So we do like days like this because then people can actually go into the cars, they look, they touch the feel, and it's really just a great time for everyone.
Right. How can people find more about the BYD brand?
So you'd have to just follow us on all our different socials, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter, we're everywhere. But also for more information all the time, it's just go to our BYD website, which is BYDSouthAfrica.za, and you'll hear everything about all our different models, events, and what's to come.
Awesome.
Thank you.